Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami bow model. Let me show it to you how it looks. I have two bows made. As you can see, this is how they look. They are really cute and pretty. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami bow model, we'll need a square piece of paper. Let me keep this aside and let me pick a square piece of paper. The size of this bow is very large, so if you reduce the length and width or the size of the square, you'll get a smaller bow which will look really cute. So this is just for demonstration, so I'm using a bigger sheet so that you guys understand properly how it is made. Alright, so first we'll fold along the diagonal axis. We open it back, fold along the second diagonal axis. Open it back. You'll get an X formed over here. Now turn it around. Here, let me just adjust the exposure. I believe this is good. Yeah. Now we'll fold along the horizontal axis from edge to edge. Open it back. Now we fold along the vertical axis. This is how it looks. It forms a plus here and an X here. So now all you need to do is just fold it along this plus, and just roll it over like this along the creases. This is how you get, basically, the top portion is closed and this is the open portion. Now here you hold it like this, the closed portion, and then just approx an inch you just fold it like this. Press it tightly because this is the front part of the bow, this one. So press it fold it on the other side as well. Press it tightly so that you get the creases properly. Just make sure you do multiple presses. Now you have this. Now all you need to do is open this entire thing again. Just press it along the crease like this. Press it along all the 4 creases like this. This is how it looks. Now slowly just fold it like this. Along the center line like this. Make sure it folds properly, and you also need to fold it like this. So basically the upper triangular portion went inside. That's the only fold here. Press it properly and this is how it looks. Now we have 2 flaps on this side, 2 flaps on this side. So pick the first flap like this and fold it like this. This is how it looks. Similarly, we do the same fold on all the sides. turn the page around and same fold till the center, like this. From here, like this till here. Press it properly. This is how it looks. Now we open this entire thing from the bottom like this. Here, if you can see this opens up, so slightly just fold it so that it gets the shape. Don't press it too much, otherwise, as you can see in this model I have pressed it too much, so it flattened entirely. Here you can just keep it slight bulge so that it looks really beautiful. Something like this. Don't press it too much, just the shape is important. Alright, now turn it back. This is how it looks. Now let me get my scissor. So we need to cut these lines, these folds, the center crease till this point. Yeah, from this point to this point. Let me just, yeah, from here till this point basically. Let me just show it to you. This went slightly curvy, but it's fine. So till this point you need to cut. Similarly, you need to cut this, this and this. So let me cut this properly and I'll show you this final thing. Right, so I've cut all the 4 sides. This is how it looks. You have these flaps now, so just fall in like this or on this side. Just fold it like this. Oh, I think this is an extra portion. Yeah, but it's fine, it will go inside somewhere. Or let me just cut it. Yeah, so now what we need to do is fold these 2 flaps on one of the side, and on this side, actually we need to do this on both sides, so just fold this portion till the center like this. There's a lot of focusing issues. Fold it like this on this side. Similarly we do it on this side. Try to make it properly edge to edge. Now you move these 2 flaps on that side, and then you need to fold on this side too. Same thing till the center. It's okay if this goes out of sync, because that will be the back portion, but on the front it should look good. Press it properly. As you can see, this is how it looks. Now these 2 flaps are there, right? So first let's do one thing. Let's stick these 2 flaps. So just will apply some glue over here. Let me get the glue. So just apply the glue and stick these 2 flaps. Right, so I have stick these 2 flaps. Now I need to fold this one flap like this till this point, till this, and parallel here. So basically it should look like this. Fold it, press it properly. Similarly we do it on this side, like this, from this point parallel to the horizontal axis, and fold it like this. Now we need to cut this from the center. So let me just get my scissors again. It's actually difficult to find a crease on camera. Cut it till the tip. This is how it looks. Now this flap, basically we fold it like this from this point, from this tip. Just fold it like this, and you can intersect it here basically like this, and then you can just make it till here to look good. This is how we fold it. Similarly we match the tip from here and we fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now you need to loosen up this portion slightly like this, and then we fold this in the center inside like this. Just press it slightly, again don't press it too much, otherwise it won't look good. It will look like a flat model. Again fold it like this and put it like this. This is how it looks. The top portion is ready. Now for the bottom portion, all we need to do is just cut the section here. From here, this tip, cut it till the center, and from here cut it till this point. Similarly we do it on this side. From here cut it till the center. We sticked it, right? So that's why the thickness is more, and then cut it from here. So this is the final model. As you can see, the final bow model. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next week. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a very beautiful and very cute model. So go ahead, grab one, make one, and this is very useful for decoration purposes, to decorate your boxes or whatnot. So go ahead and make one, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, get notified first, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.